Well, I tried to tell you so, yes I did, but I guess you didn't know. As the sad story goes. Hey, AWOO gang, it's been a while. It's been a while. So I'm going to try and vlog this week for you guys. I got a lot of exciting things happening this week. So Saturday, me and my folks are going to Tennessee for my mom's birthday. And I want to vlog that because I haven't vlogged in a minute. And I'm also going to unbox and unpack some packages I got some more coming, but I wanted to go ahead and record this because today has been a long day. I got off work and stuff, and it's been a long day, and I'm ready to like relax. Apologize for not vlogging. I have no excuse. It's just that I just haven't been doing it. I have no excuse at all. Yeah, but I missed y'all. I did. I really did. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing / unpacking these packages. This one, I think these are my bundles. If these are my bundles, yeah, I'm going to make a wig. I made wigs before, but they didn't turn out right because I didn't have the proper things. So now I have the proper things. This ain't the bundle. This is the wig. It look a little thin. This is it, y'all. It look a little thin. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. It look thin. I don't know if it's just because of this, but it don't stink. But I'm still gonna wash this wig. These are the bundles. These bundles look a little thin too. I hate thin hair. I really do. So this is my. I think this is a jumpsuit. Yeah, this is a jumpsuit. I'm gonna put in the picture of what it is. This is Bunny Lulu. These are like the little bunnies. They have like the little boxes are so cute. This is cute. Look at the little ears. This is so cute. A little keychain. You go on my keychain. Next, what is this? These are my nails. These are my nails. I'm gonna put these on soon. These are cute. These are my duck nails. I love duck nails. So this is my bracelet chain. I need to unloosen it just a little bit because it is kind of tight. Okay, next is some gummies. So this doesn't fall out, but they sent me these gummies. That is everything I have for right now. I know I will be getting more stuff in the mail. Just the mail has not ran yet. But, yeah, I think that is everything at the moment. So right now I'm going to wash this wig I just received. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm trying to get back in the hang of doing vlogs again because it's like feels weird now. So, yeah. But other than that, I will talk to you guys later. Sound. We made it to the cabin. This is my room. This is my room. My bed. Nice. This is the hallway. Very nice doors. Washer and dryer. This is my parents' room. Really nice. They have a jacuzzi tub in there in the room. This is the bathroom. The birthday girl just walked through. I was saying the birthday girl walked through. This is the bathroom. I'm gonna show you upstairs. Little toilet over here. What does it say? Okay, let's go upstairs. This is the kitchen. We just went grocery shopping. Got some things. This is the living room. We'll probably end up watching something on here tonight. This is the outside area. The jacuzzi. My brother is going to get in it. Real nice. A little setup out here. Real nice. Very dark. Don't know what's out here watching me. Yes. We're going upstairs. This is the little spot up here. Oh. See down here. It's real nice. This is the bathroom. This is his setup up here. But other than that, this is the vlog. Why is it jumping? I don't know what's happening, y'all. I'm still trying to figure out this camcorder, but this is the vlog. I mean, this is the cabin is really nice. I think it's called Wolf Den. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get a lot of footage as I can, since y'all know that I have not been vlogging for a while. So yeah, but I'm gonna get ready to take a shower because it has been a long day, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow.
Girl, if I told you I love you, that doesn't mean that I don't care. Ooh, and when I tell you I need you, don't you think that I'll never be there? Ooh, I'm so tired by the way you turn my lips. So yes, lies. Don't misunderstand me when I try to spin my mind. What I'm trying to say, oh, Cupid, oh, yeah, yeah. Cupid.
Currently in Old Time Pottery. Me and my mom shopping. V and my dad. Where did they go? See,
I think to that some kind of Mustang. I don't know if it was a Mustang. So I was about some with a car.
some is trying to rent something. I picked me up a few items. I got a few clothes. For shopping. So I said, don't be cheap with yourself. Buy yourself something. You only got one life to live. That's my motto. So that's what we're doing. I don't know where we're going after this. And yeah, we went in the Carhartt store. It's not bad in it, but we didn't see any pieces that we liked. And I'd rather just get stuff like if I find stuff at the thrift store or online. Pretty plain. But this is where we are.
What you won't know unless you give it a try. Ain't no doubt about it.
So as y'all can see, we had some visitors come and visit us. We had 3 black bears come visit us while we were in our cabins. Y'all, I was asleep when they came and visit, but my folks woke me up very quickly. So yeah, we had some bears.
Can't handle what I am now. You a fan now, I'm not what I was. So tell me, are you down now? 'Cause I'm up now. So let's make sure the day to forget that you used to treat me just.
You want to be on this
No,
so
I thought you was taking a
bad.
picture. You getting on my last.
Like anyone, truth
We are currently packing up everything in the truck. We're leaving in a couple minutes. Yeah, we're gonna hit the road, head back to Bama. How was your trip?
I loved it.
But yeah, we're still waiting on my brother to hurry up. Everybody is packed and ready to go. But yeah, we're gonna hit the road.
My cold heart is finally melting. I'm